Hello and welcome to another quick tip tutorial. I'm AI and today I'll be showing you how to display keyboard and mouse actions on your computer screen. Be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications to never miss future tips and tricks. So starting off, first head over to GitHub and download Karnik. The link will be in the description below. It's totally free and all you'll need to get this working. Download and extract the latest release to any location on your computer. All you have to do now is run the .exe file and it's all set. For further customization, check the bottom right corner of your taskbar and you'll see the software's icon. Click on it to open up the software menu. It takes some getting used to, but all in all it's basically just changing the color and positioning of the pop-ups. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see an extended video covering all the settings, drop a like and comment below.